To the Larks. Today we have an unboxing from the cubicle.us. In here should be the Angstrom Weipo M 2x2. It's my first Angstrom cube, so I have pretty high expectations. I don't really know what to expect. So let's get into it. Okay, this is harder than I thought it was to get open. Good thing I grabbed this up knife. Am I supposed to use this side? That's a lot easier. It's really hard to get open. Here we go. We have a pretty good business card. Don't really care about that. The seat. And here is the cube. Anything else in here? Nope. He needs that. So Angstrom Weipo M. The box is a little bit beat up, but yeah, who cares? I'm gonna rip it. I'll just tape. It's really hard to get open. Okay, here we go. Who cares about the box? We could rip it. A nice stand. That's nice. Cubicle logo and the colored logo. More packaging. A lot of packaging. Try and do this with my hands so I don't hurt the cube. Yeah, this is really hard. There we go. I hate this plastic wrap, but I like it because it protects the cube. Okay, the shades. That's a really bright red. It almost is pink. White's fine. I like that orange, green, and blue. The yellow's a little dark, but it's pretty tight too. You can like see the lube. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but first turns. Oh, that's really gummy. It's like more gummy than normal, probably because it got delayed from weather. So, yeah, this is super good. Like, it's fast. It's really, really fast. Like, I'm just normal flicking. Corner cutting, 45, no. A little bit less than 45, reverse. Pretty good reverse too. I don't have an original Weipo M or Weipo, so I don't know. This logo is kind of weird. It's like not a sticker, but it's like, that's really weird. You can like feel it. Magnet strength's perfect. You can feel it, but when I'm turning fast, I don't really feel it, but I can feel it's doing its job. That's what I like. So I'm not the best at 2x2. I just use Ortega, so yeah. So, but this is really good cube. It's really slippery right on the outside. But this is a really good cube. If you're willing to spend $30, I would really recommend this cube. It's really fast, so if you want a fast 2x2, you're into 2x2 and you're not satisfied with your current main, I would really recommend this. So that's all guys for today. Be looking out for the review of this cube, which will be coming out soon. See y'all next time.